What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, and if you want to know how I got this look, stay tuned for a start to finish in detail video. Okay, so here we'll just start off with a cap, and throughout this whole video I just want to say this disclaimer: you'll see my assistant recording her as well because baby content is everything. And here I'm just cutting out the ears. Basically, I'll just be putting her cap on, cutting out the ears, spraying the holding spray, outlining it with a little glue. I know everyone don't do this, but baby, it works for me. Okay, so watch that and I'll be back when we get into the actual install. And you guys, I do sit them under the dryer. After I put all that on, I sit them under there for 10 to 15 minutes because it dries it well. It dries it way better than the blow dryer could. So if you do have a dryer that your clients can sit under, I recommend you using it. Okay, now that that's done, you're gonna see me use my Ruby Kisses on her cap. This is the best makeup in my opinion because it's not wet nor runny and it won't bleed through. Then we're just, trying that wig on. We're making sure it fit. That's very important, y'all. Make sure the wig fit before applying any glue. And for this, I'll be using, I want to say I use like Bold Hold. Honey, I ran out of the glue and that's what the nearest beauty supply I have. So that's what I use. And you'll see me dotting it out, putting it on. I do put the glue over the whole thing at the same time because again, it works for me. I do use 3 layers of glue and then I go and I spray a holding spray on top. It gives it that ultimate hold as well. And then I'm gonna put her wig on and you'll see. And ladies, I did want to say another thing. When you're putting that wig on, make sure you're pressing that lace into the glue. I always press my lace into the glue, but then I'll go back and I'll, comb it in as well because you want to, marinate that lace into that glue. Make sure you do that. That's an important step. Okay, and we're finna get into those baby hairs. Y'all, I tried the new baby hairs where it looked like fluffy, but they're like flipped on top of each other. It actually ended up coming out good, so you're gonna literally see me do that. And of course, again, baby, y'all see it, content. Can you say it with me? Content. So another very important thing to get those perfect baby hairs is you want to make sure you curl the baby hairs. If you don't curl the baby hairs, they don't come out as good as you want them, and it's sad to say. And again, can we say content? And for my baby hairs, I do use, as you can see behind me, I use the olive oil grip gel, and then I put a mousse on top so that you can still get that fluff, but it still holds as well. I do put both onto the brush and use it. And now that those baby hairs are slayed, you'll see me go in with my Eben. And let me tell y'all, that stuff came from God himself. Anyways, you'll see me put that on, and I'm gonna tie that elastic band tight. And she'll pretty much go under the dryer. This is after the dryer. And we're gonna get into, doing her ponytail. This part is this is the most important part if you ask me, because this makes or breaks the whole install. So you'll see me for a few minutes just going back and forth, making sure the lace is laid down, making sure everything's placed correctly. You'll see me even play with the ponytail for a little bit. You'll see me hot comb. I do spray, hold, and spray, and then hot comb because it holds pretty well. So yeah, you should try it. And keep watching. You may learn something. So when I do my ponytails, I do not pull any pieces of the ponytail out to wrap it around. I just grab the closest piece that's right behind it and I wrap that around. I feel like that give it like, you know, like a seamless type thing. I really can't explain it, but it works pretty well and you guys should really give it a try. Here you'll just see me adding my finished touches, few last little hot combs, you know, making it shine, making it look right, okay? And I just want to tell you guys, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn my notifications on because we're back in full swing.